Hi everyone, Mixed Media Girl here. Today I'm going to do an acrylic pour inspired by Tiktus color art. I think that's how you say it. He did one that was the black hole painting. So I'm not going to do the exact same thing, but I'm going to do something similar. I'm using an Arteza black canvas. And I do a little bit of leftover paint in my cup here that I am going to use. So I'm going to layer the colors in here. And I did start out with a little bit of black paint on my canvas. All of my paints are mixed with floetrol and water. And I'm using various acrylic paints, including Artist Loft and Arteza. So check down in the description for the materials. I am going to definitely be doing some blues. I think I will also go in here with a bit of yellow. So I'm going to pour this a little bit at a time. And this will be a tree ring pour. So I got suggested that I try this technique, but I wanted to put my own spin on it. So he did one tree ring and then the black. I'm going to do multiple tree rings and kind of layer this. Once again, that video will be down in the description, so please check it out. It's pretty cool. I'm switching up the colors here. All right, here's the next layer. And then I think I'm going to do this just one more time. So once again with the black. Doing a bit more this time. All right. Then I think I'll do a smaller tree ring in the middle here. Kind of like the fact that I did cool colors first and then warm colors, and now I'm going to kind of go back to cool colors. But there's still orange in my cup, so I'm sure that will come through as well. All right, so final tree ring layer here. And then I'm not totally decided if I'm going to end it off with black or not. I think maybe just a little bit. Okay, and just for good measure, I am going to add a little bit around the edges here too. And the tilt. So it seems like we essentially completely lost our first ring. We have a little bit of the second one left, and then of course the third. Let's see if we can keep some of that second one on here. Oh. Run it more this direction. Okay. There we go. I like that. It's kind of islands. So I do see cells forming over here. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit. We'll see anything else that pops up, and then we'll do our close-up. Okay, we're back. So not too much changed, but definitely a few cells popping up here, which I'm not even mad at. It's pretty galactic. I imagine a big planet over here, and this is the rings around it. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. This has a lot of black, so it's very reflective. But starting in the lower right-hand corner, this is most of what's left of our second tree ring. You can see that obviously some of it's kind of hiding under the paint there. And then we got a few little cells that popped up in here. There you go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. This was a fun little experiment I may play around with a little bit more. We'll see. Don't forget to check the description for all the products used, and I will see you all next time.